Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice quadratic equation x to the power 4 minus 17x squared minus 10x plus 39 is equal to 0. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. If we divide this constant 39 by the leading coefficient 1, if we divide 39 by 1, we get 39. And factors of 39 are plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 13 and plus minus 39. If we check plus minus 1, this is not a solution, this is not a solution, this is not a solution, and this plus minus 39 is not a solution. So to solve this quadratic equation, we use another trick. We can rewrite this equation as x to the power 4. We write this negative 17x squared as negative 16x squared minus x squared, and this remaining part negative 10x plus 39 is equal to 0. Now we notice that if we add 64 in these two terms, we can have a perfect square. So we add 64 and subtract 64 in this expression. This will become x to the power 4 minus 16x squared. We add here 64. This remaining expression negative x squared minus 10 times x plus 39, and we subtract 64 is equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become x to the power 4 minus 16x squared plus 64 minus x squared minus 10 times x. 39 minus 64 will become negative 25 is equal to 0. Next, x to the power 4 minus 16x squared plus 64. We use parentheses to make this a group, minus we use parentheses to make another group. Due to this negative sign, these three terms will become positive. Positive x squared plus 10 times x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b whole squared. This expression will become x squared minus 8 whole squared minus, by using this algebraic identity, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b whole squared. This expression will become x plus 5 whole squared is equal to 0. Now we have difference of two squares. So by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This expression will become x squared minus 8 plus x plus 5 times x squared minus 8 minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. We remove these brackets. This will become x squared minus 8. Since we have plus sign, this remains same, plus x plus 5 times x squared minus 8. Due to this negative sign, this x will become negative x, and this plus 5 will become negative 5 is equal to 0. further simplify and rearrange, this will become x squared. We write this plus x first, plus x, and this negative 8 plus 5 will become negative 3 times x squared. This negative x, and negative 8 minus 5 will become negative 13 is equal to 0. From here, either this expression x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared minus x minus 13 is equal to 0. We have this quadratic equation and this quadratic equation. It means we have 4 solutions for this equation. First we solve this one. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b is 1 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 1 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 3, divided by 2 times a is 1. Next, x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of, this 1 squared is 1, and negative 4 times 1 times negative 3 will become plus 12, divided by 2 times 1, 2, and x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus 1 plus 12 will become root 13, divided by 2. Now we solve this quadratic equation. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b is negative 1 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write negative 1 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 13, divided by 2 times a is 1, and x is equal to negative times negative 1 will become positive 1 plus or minus square root of, this negative 1 squared will become positive 1, and negative 4 times 1 times negative 13 will become plus 52, divided by 2 times 1, 2, and x is equal to 1 plus or minus, this will become root 53 divided by 2. It means that we have 4 solutions for this quadratic equation. From this equation we get 2 values of x. x1 is equal to negative 1 plus root 13 divided by 2, and x2 is equal to negative 1 minus root 13 divided by 2. And from this equation we get other 2 solutions. x3 is equal to 1 plus root 53 divided by 2, and x4 is equal to 1 minus root 53 divided by 2.